Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain, but you feel it. You felt it your entire life, that there's something wrong with the world. You don't know what it is, but it's there, like a splinter in your mind, driving you mad. It is this feeling that has brought you to me. Do you know what I'm talking about?
The Matrix.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes. It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth.
What truth?
That you are a slave, Neo. Like everyone else, you were born into bondage, born into a prison that you cannot smell or taste or touch. A prison for your mind. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself. This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill. You stay in Wonderland. And I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Follow me.
Valentine's Day turn-up is about to be lit. Let me show you.
Times like these are important. The blue pill me could never experience times like these. I was a slave to a schedule, a slave to trading my time for money. I wouldn't even use my vacation time. Then one day, I took the red pill for the last time. After I realized I was making my last employer millions and my cut would never be worth my true efforts and contributions, I left the Matrix. I still work, but my systems work hard for me, and I play hard too. And now I make money on my own terms. 2025 will be a special year because now we are opening the doors so you can see that making money online can work for you too. You can live a better quality of life. You can earn while you learn, and you can get your time back while your systems are making you daily income. 5MP is going to change many people's lives. And if you want in on how we can do this together, we are about to get into the best part of the video. Enjoy the rest of the behind the scenes of this unbelievable suite, and Money Mike will be right back to explain our game plan. We are a global movement.
Yeah, like I said, Valentine's weekend. It's about to be lit.
In 2025 you can make money on camera, off camera, or even use AI avatars such as myself. There is a gold rush to the internet and social media because people need a way to make extra money. Some want to experience places like the one you just saw Mr. Leverage at. We aim to help you do all of the above. Mr. Leverage has a clear blueprint to help you reach your goals, and here is how we are going to do it. Although you will be able to earn instantly with our systems, we are looking for serious members who want to commit to 1 year. During this year we aim to create many new six-figure earners. We are not guaranteeing any earned income and our results are not typical. But our plan was created so the average person can start, earn, and grow those earnings with our help as you learn. We offer 3 ways to do this. In our first version there was our 5MP experience option which pays instantly, but it's only for US-based members. So we added our 5MP Launchpad where a $100 investment can change your life. This was before Mr. Leverage left for the trip he was just on. After that trip he decided he wanted to give everyone who moves with 5MP even more leverage and cash flow power. So we added our 5MP Triple Play which offers you a $27 lead magnet and your chance to promote whatever business you want inside our systems and processes. Everyone's timeline for success can vary, but you can't earn if you don't start. For the rest of February and all of March we are working with action takers to spread the word. As we earn, while we learn, and grow, and build an ongoing empire, using AI to help our members see faster results with an easy-to-follow blueprint. Wave 0 Phase 1 is special because Mr. Leverage will be sharing and doing things for those members that no other wave will have access to. So if you are ready to see how we are going to help you earn in your sleep and earn today, take action with who shared this with you, or if you are on our team page, scroll down and unlock your future. Every option pays you instantly, so there is no waiting. This is a major key to financial freedom and a solid foundation to build on when we move to Phase 2 in the near future. Follow Mr. Leverage on YouTube and join our Facebook group for VIP info, insider trainings, and more. The sooner you join, the sooner you can earn, the faster we grow, and we all win. You can watch the movement, you can follow the movement, or you can join the movement. Phase 1 is designed to help you reach your first 10K as fast as possible. Our 5MP triple option was just added. The 2 videos below explain more about how everything works together. Take action. Put your money to work for you. The current timeline for Wave 0 Phase 1 is the rest of February and all of March of 2025. Your future is waiting.